I'm talking to one of our regional directors, Andrew Hart, as part of our series on systems and digital in mid-market manufacturing. Andy, in terms of new systems, new technology, often the thing that goes wrong is actually the data. Can you explain why this is so important?
So the importance around this is really because bad data leads to bad reporting, which leads to bad decisions or erroneous information given to clients. So it's important to get the data right.
We've published a CEO's briefing specifically about this. In your opinion, what is the key step, or what are the key steps to make this right?
So the key points here are really around data ownership. And quite often, for expediency, data isn't really focused on in a process. But in terms of actually making a better long-term bet and having better information, you really need somebody who owns that data, who cares about its accuracy.
And typically, it's not very interesting. It doesn't feel very strategic. There's a lot of it, and senior people don't drive ownership of data. Do you think it's particularly a problem in manufacturing?
Yeah, I mean, it exists in many businesses, but I think manufacturing is a key one. When you're focusing to get product out of the door, the actual data seems less important. But unless you fix that for the longer term, you're not on a continuous improvement cycle. So you're unable to answer questions like, who are your most profitable customers? How long does it take to make a particular batch of product? And those are key decision points that can enable you to be more effective and more efficient.
And often the focus is on the system when it should be on the data.
Absolutely. The data is the business at the end of the day. You can produce all the stuff, and that's great, and you can sell it, and that's great. But unless you've got a method of understanding what you've done, what you need to do, and to be able to track where you are on that journey, then actually you're not managing the process.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much indeed, Andy.